In today's exploration, we delve into the realm of extraordinary vehicles, each cloaked in an aura of mystique and awe. From police cruisers to land speed record setters, these remarkable machines beckon us with their allure, but tread lightly, for their operation comes with a weighty responsibility. Our odyssey begins with a deep exploration of the 11 exceptional entries on our roster. These mechanical marvels not only spark our curiosity, but also demand our utmost respect and adherence to stringent regulations. Venturing into their world without due authorization or under certain circumstances could usher in consequences of dire consequence. So let us journey together through the enigmatic landscapes of these remarkable vehicles as we unravel the intricacies that make them both captivating and formidable. Let's delve into the world of the unmistakable police vehicle, an embodiment of law and order. These machines stand as bastions of security, armed with cutting-edge technology, formidable weaponry, and robust engines, all vital for upholding public safety. Yet, the allure of operating a police vehicle comes with an essential caveat. Unauthorized use can have dire repercussions. Driving a police vehicle without the proper authorization isn't just risky, it's a path fraught with legal peril. Such actions can lead to criminal charges, imposing fines, and the specter of imprisonment. This misuse of authority erodes the very trust upon which our law enforcement agencies rely, ultimately casting shadows on both individuals and entire communities. It's a stark reminder that while these vehicles represent safety, they also demand our respect for the laws they uphold.
If you drive me home with the siren on, we've got a freezer full of Snickers.
The mighty realm of military vehicles, tanks. Behold, the awe-inspiring realm of military vehicles where the mighty tank reigns supreme. These colossal machines, designed for the crucible of warfare, command our respect and admiration. Yet, the prospect of operating one without proper authorization carries weighty consequences. Military vehicles, especially tanks, are instruments of destruction, wielding formidable firepower. They are not tailored for civilian roads and pose a substantial risk when handled by the untrained. Unauthorized use can yield accidents, the obliteration of public property, and severe legal repercussions. These mechanized titans are entrusted solely to the skilled hands of military personnel within meticulously controlled military environments. This stringent protocol is designed to ensure not only the protection of these machines, but also the safety of the public as they remain resolute guardians of our nation's security. Unleashing the power of monster trucks. Step into the heart-pounding world of monster trucks, where raw power and awe-inspiring stunts redefine the limits of automotive excitement. These colossal giants, famous for their car-crushing prowess, demand our undivided attention. However, their massive size and weight render them unsuitable for everyday roads. Operating a monster truck without proper authorization spells disaster, a risk of infrastructure damage, dangerous accidents, and legal consequences. The true magic of these titans unfolds in specially designed arenas and venues, where their massive tires and gravity-defying stunts safely captivate audiences. Attempting to conquer public streets in these mechanical marvels not only endangers lives, but also threatens our critical infrastructure, incurring substantial repair costs borne by taxpayers. Let's cherish these incredible machines where they belong, within the confines of exhilarating, well-contained entertainment, ensuring safety for all. Buggies, designed for off-road adventurers, lack the necessary safety features for public road use. They often lack seatbelts, airbags, and other safety features crucial for protecting passengers during collisions. Attempting to navigate one on city streets can endanger your safety and that of others, and it may also cause damage to roads and infrastructure. These vehicles are best suited for controlled environments such as off-road tracks and trails, where the risk to both drivers and bystanders is significantly lower. Drift cars, modified for precision driving and thrilling maneuvers, often lack the safety features required for regular traffic. These vehicles are engineered for controlled drifts and high-performance driving, which can make them unpredictable and dangerous in typical traffic situations. Operating them outside of controlled environments can lead to accidents, injuries, and potential harm to pedestrians and other motorists. It's crucial to appreciate the technical skill required to handle drift cars safely, which is best practiced on private tracks or in sanctioned events. Land speed record cars. Land speed record cars are designed for a single, awe-inspiring purpose: to achieve mind-boggling speeds. These streamlined rockets on wheels are optimized for specific environments like dry lake beds or specially designed tracks. Taking them onto public roads is a recipe for disaster, as they lack essential safety features and are built for extreme speed, making them a danger to themselves and others. Operating a land speed record car outside of controlled environments not only jeopardizes safety, but also defies the engineering intentions behind these extraordinary machines. Jet-powered cars. Now, let's soar into the realm of jet-powered cars. These speed demons are equipped with jet engines, similar to those found in aircraft. The immense power they generate makes them unsuitable for public roads. Attempting to pilot one of these on the open highway would result in uncontrollable speeds and potential disaster. Jet-powered cars require expert handling, specialized training, and most importantly, controlled environments, such as dry lake beds or test tracks. Unauthorized operation can lead to catastrophic accidents, as their extreme speed capabilities defy the very essence of road safety. Formula One race cars are the epitome of precision engineering and cutting-edge technology. Their sleek designs and lightning-fast acceleration are the stuff of dreams for motorsports enthusiasts. However, these vehicles are finely tuned for the racetrack, not public roads. Their low ride height, aggressive aerodynamics, and ultra-responsive handling make them unsuitable for everyday traffic. Attempting to take a Formula One car onto public streets risks accidents, damage to the vehicle, and a host of legal issues. Enjoying the thrill of a Formula One car should be reserved for the race circuit, where these machines can be appreciated to the fullest while maintaining safety. Amphibious vehicles. Amphibious vehicles are unique in their ability to traverse both land and water. However, they are not exempt from the rules of the road. Misusing an amphibious vehicle in the wrong setting can lead to environmental damage and endanger aquatic ecosystems. These vehicles require specific training and permits to ensure responsible operation, as well as adherence to safety regulations for both land and water transport. Our next stop takes us to the far reaches of space exploration vehicles. These extraordinary machines, designed for exploring other worlds, are light years away from being street legal on Earth. Attempting to drive one on our planet's surface would be a futile endeavor, as they are engineered for the unique challenges of space travel, including extreme temperatures, vacuum conditions, and low-gravity environments. Unauthorized use would not only be unfeasible, but would also risk damaging the vehicle and compromising its purpose. Dragsters. Last but not least, we encounter the exhilarating world of dragsters. These high-powered racing cars are designed for one thing: achieving blistering speeds in a straight line. Operating a dragster outside of a controlled drag strip environment is not only unsafe, but also prohibited by law. Their extraordinary acceleration and minimal safety features make them a dangerous proposition on public roads. Enthusiasts should leave the dragster experience to the professionals in controlled racing events, where safety measures are in place to protect both drivers and spectators. In the realm of restricted vehicles, we've embarked on a journey through the extraordinary and the unconventional, each presenting its own set of challenges and consequences. Operating any of these machines without proper authorization or in inappropriate settings can lead to dire outcomes, disasters, legal entanglements, and potential harm to property and public safety. As we reflect on this exploration, it underscores a vital lesson. Fascination, though powerful, must always be tempered by responsibility and respect for the law. These vehicles, while tantalizing, are best admired from a distance or within controlled environments. So, as we part ways, I encourage you to carry forward the awareness gained during this journey. Remember, our shared responsibility for safety extends not only to ourselves, but to our communities as well. And if you found this journey enlightening, Don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing. Together, we'll continue to explore the fascinating world around us.